Many people think that among the insects, both males and females contribute to work equally. However, this is not true in the case of ants. In ant colonies, the workers are entirely female. Male ants do not perform foraging, do not construct, and do not maintain a colony. In reality, they scarcely do anything at all. But why? The reason for this is the way ants reproduce. In most ant species, the queen is the only fertile female. She lays thousands, in some cases even millions of eggs per year. The workers, her daughters, are infertile and sacrifice their lives to maintain the colony. The males, on the other hand, are in the world to fulfill a single purpose: reproduction. Their only task is to mate with the queen, who dumps them after mating, shortly after which they die. This clear separation of roles is present from birth. Ants, just like bees and wasps, use a special system for sex determination called haplodiploidy. The female comes from a fertilized egg and has 2 sets of chromosomes, while the male comes from an unfertilized egg and has only 1 set. This means that the males are basically like walking sperm cells that have no other function than to release sperm. Being a worker ant, as you can see, is a task that demands a lot. Gathering food, raising the young, and defending the nest require all this strength and endurance. Because females have 2 sets of chromosomes, they have a larger gene pool. They are able to withstand diseases and environmental stresses. Males, which have only 1 set of chromosomes, are more susceptible to disease and external changes. Even if a male ant was able to work, its performance would be ineffective compared to that of the female ants. Male ants are the most susceptible to parasites, and they would not have enough physical strength to perform the tasks. They would also be poor workers due to their short lifespan. It is therefore obvious that the most efficient system is to use male ants only for reproduction. So while the females, i.e. the workers or soldiers, keep the entire ant colony running, the males concentrate solely on fertilizing the queen and dying as soon as they have fulfilled their purpose. Even if this sounds strange, it is a widespread system in the insect world. Many other social insects exhibit similar behavior, ensuring the survival of the entire society at the expense of a few individual males. Male ants are in some ways comparable to plant seeds, as they are produced in large numbers and dispersed to different locations in order to pass on their genes in as many places as possible. Click here for another interesting Drawcumentary. Thanks for watching and hope to see you around.